Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. It is a video about how to debug increment and decrement operator errors in a Buggy app. Increment operator is increasing value of the variable by 1. In the code it looks like two pluses. If we put them in the front of the variable, it is prefix. If after, it is postfix. If it is two pluses before prefix notation, then we increase the value by 1 before we are reading this value. If it is postfix, then first we are reading the value and then we increase it. And decrement is doing the same and looks almost the same, it's just two minuses. It also has prefix and postfix notation, it's just decreasing the value by 1. For the beginners, this conception is pretty confusing. This lab is pretty simple, but it is made for you to practice this concept. So pay attention and let's get started. User story number 1, we need to fix update counter variable to get 11. Right now, as you see, it still returns 10. It is happening because first we assign it to the counter that is equals 10 and then we increase it by 1. Change postfix increment by prefix increment. Let's run our tests. As you see, we successfully passed test number 1 and 2. Let's speed up. Final score variable supposed to use postfix notation. User story number 3, change update coins variable. We need to use prefix notation to change variable before we read it. And finally, user story number 4, use postfix notation to get variable unchangeable before we read it. In the end, I would like to say there is a recommendation: do not use increment and decrement operators when you are writing the code. Just do not use it. Write equal plus or equal minus 1, and then you will avoid situation like these ones. Meanwhile, we are done. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.